Hello and welcome to our channel. Gemma 4 is released by Google, and Gemma 4 is a family of open source model built by Google DeepMind. Gemma 4 models are multimodal, handling text and images input and generating text output. Gemma 4 introduces key capabilities and architectural advancement. So it's a reasoning model. All models in this family are designed are highly capable reasoners with configurable thinking models and extended multimodalities, processes text, image and variable aspect ratio and resolution support all models. Diverse effective architecture offer dense and mixture of experts, variant of different sizes of scalable deployment, and it is optimized for on-device. Smaller models are especially designed for efficient local execution on laptops and mobile devices. Increased context window. The small models features 128 context window while the medium model supports 256K context window. Enhanced coding and agentic capabilities achieves notable improvement in coding benchmarks alongside native function calling support, powering highly scalable, highly capable autonomous agents, native system prompt support. Gemma 4 introduces native support for system role, enabling more structured and controlled conversations, and models are available in effective E2B and effective 4B and 26B. So E is stands for effective. So model size is high, but at a time 2 billion parameters are effective in this model, 4 billion in this model, and you can check the benchmark of this model. So this model is available in 2B, E2B, E4B, 26B and 31 billion parameters. So the size is 7 GB, 18 GB and 20 GB. So we will try with the 9 GB model here, and to download it we have to run the command Ollama run Gemma 4 E4B. So model is already downloaded in my machine, so it is going to just load the model. So from here we can chat and just exit. Now I will load the model in Ollama app. So Gemma 4 E4B, and model is loaded and it is giving the output. It is now thinking. So it developed the Java program, hello world program, very easily, very fast, and it is explaining the code. So we have learned how to download the model in Ollama and run it in console as well as into the Ollama app. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.